Hello, my friends. Today I want to speak about double pendulum. It's a problem, double pendulum problem. I just get some code from a matplotlib website. I just wrote all. I just coded all. You will see here we have numpy, matplotlib.pyplot, scipy.integrate also, and matplotlib.animation. More animation models we get there. And guys, we made there some state, okay, then we get delta and other ones, okay. Just we get all data about it, and there is, you will see sinus, cosinus, and some math objects. And now I will come down and we set PLT show, okay. It's now I will run it. It's little specific, it's very different, just it's looking very crazy. Yeah, right, it is here. Just check it. It's probleming, it's there is problems have, so it's not looking like how you gonna say, it's not in the same way. If we say like just think 90 degrees, it will return, but it's not. It's just random, okay. It's just random. There is a lot of information but data, but it's random, okay. It's very crazy, like my leg, it's like some robot arms or robot legs, Lee. It's very crazy things, sometimes it's going returning all the time like clock. It's okay, guys, so just I want to show it anyway. It's okay. See you later, guys. Okay, just check it.